Today, we will go over end-user notifications, configuration, and multiple profiles. I'll be using a Tanium Platform 7.3 and end-user notifications 1.5 to achieve this goal. So first to configure, we simply go to the customizations area. Now new to 1.5, end-user notifications has the ability to use multiple profiles and target endpoints with different configurations. So say you work in a place that may have multiple locations or points of contact for IT. Perhaps they have different business units that identify with different logos. So let's go into customizing these profiles. So here I have two profiles, one for production systems and one for test systems. But what if I might have missed one? What if I may have, overlooked a QA or, maybe some machines I hadn't accounted for yet? I can go ahead and create a new profile, and in that profile actually catch all other systems. So I would simply click on New Profile, and it would lead me to this screen here, which I've already pre-populated. So I'm going to call this All Other Systems, because I want to make sure I catch any stragglers or any machines in my enterprise that really don't have any kind of customization for end-user notifications yet. So as I scroll down, I can go ahead and select a target, which in this case I just picked all Windows systems as a group. I can also define a target, a typical Tanium question to say, what specific systems do I want to target? Maybe that's by custom tag or any other Tanium question that we can think of. Now under details, of course, being that this is kind of a generic all systems type profile, I'm going to go ahead and make it very generic and say company's installation self-service. I'm going to go ahead and give it a logo for the company. And then also from here, I'm going to go ahead and enable the self-service client on that particular machine. And then I'm also going to give the global help desk number because I don't want to, say localize it to people and target them incorrectly. Again, this is a kind of an all systems type profile. From here, I'm choosing to add the icon to the desktop and also to the start menu. And then from here, I can go ahead and save this. I'll go ahead and confirm it. So now I have three profiles. I have, of course, one for production, one for test, and now one for all others to catch those stragglers. I might want to prioritize these in case of a conflict. Maybe I might have targeted the same machines for both test and production. Obviously, there's a reason why I wanted it to be a test machine and not production. So I'm going to go ahead and click the prioritize button, and then simply click and drag from the left side straight up. Now, in the case of a machine being both test and production, test will win. Only one profile will apply. Obviously, it would make no sense for all other systems to be priority 1 because really the test and production would basically be rendered useless at that point. And then when I'm finished, I go ahead and click Save. Go ahead and confirm it. And that is end user notifications, multiple profiles, and priorities.